of you guys can hear that whining. That's the electric power steering pump. I'm gonna do two things to try and quiet that down. One, I'm gonna switch it from ATF to the CHF 202, and I'm also gonna build a rear seat delete using some insulation board. So hopefully those two things will make it bearable, because driving around hearing this is so annoying. Alright, so I got my template started. I just got to cut out that black Sharpie line there. It fits pretty well. I basically just took one big sheet of cardboard and I just started, I cut the left side to fit, and I just started adding more, one piece at a time. Got tape to hold it all together and hold it in. Now I'm just going to trace this onto my insulation board. I got to fill this corner in too, but that'll work. I got a hole behind here that I'm going to use, and a hole over there, and then I got holes down here. Just got to get the actual board made up, and then I can start fitting it up. But so far it's looking pretty good. Alright, so I've got it traced out. Now I just need to cut it out and test fit it in the car. Okay, so I got the foam cut out the shape, and I went along the perimeter with some Gorilla Tape just to make it so the foam wasn't like chipping and breaking and whatnot. Cleaned it up a lot, just sprayed it down with some air, no more styrofoam dust. Now I just want to do one more test fit in the car. Okay, so this is where it's going to get interesting. I got some felt from Joann Fabric for about $7. And I'm going to use some spray adhesive and some staples to attach it on there. So this part will be fun. Alright, so I got the carpet on there, taped it up with that spray adhesive, just trimmed it lightly around the edges. I wish I had some sort of like staple gun or something to fasten it around the edges tighter, but I think for now I'm just going to use some tape. I think that'll be good enough just to hold the edges on. So a quick test fit, and I'm actually pretty impressed. I'm gonna have to find a way to fill this hole in down here, but I mean, it's not even bolted in yet, but it looks very nice, for what it is. It's not perfect, but it's my first time doing this sort of thing. I'm really impressed with it. And again, it's not bolted in. It's gonna have to be, flushed up when I bolt it down, but looks pretty good. Alright guys, check this out. I got the rear seat delete in there, and you can kind of barely sort of still hear the pump, but listen to this. That is a world of difference. Listen to that. When you're in the driver's seat, alright, one hand, there we go. When you're in the driver's seat, you can't even hear it. So I'd say that's a success. Can you hear that? I can't.